Okay, so check it out. NASA one day said, hey, we got to send someone to Mars and explore it. So they sent this, how do you say that, guys? Sojourner is the name of the first rover, robotic roving vehicle that was sent to Mars. Sojourner weighs 2.4 or 24.3 pounds on Earth, okay? So that's a little bit less than me. And is about the size of a child's wagon, which is, okay, that's what my son has, a child's wagon, so I can take a look at that to see what that's about. How much would the Sojourner weigh on Mars? Okay, so we're going to set up a proportion, and they gave us a good piece of information right here. We're going to need this. The weight on Mars, okay, and the weight on Earth, you can set up a little proportion. So if you know something on the weight on Earth, you can just translate over the weight on Mars. So weight Mars over weight Earth is 38 over 10. We're going to set up a proportion here. So weight on Mars is 38. This is Mars over Earth. So 38 over 100. And it said the weight of this thing, our Land Rover on Earth, was 24.3. So we got to put that mixture on the right side of the proportion. So we got 24.3 all over X. And we're just going to try to figure out how much does it weigh on Mars. Now, check it out. It's going to be less, right? We can verify this. If you weigh 100 pounds here on Earth, you weigh only 38 pounds on Mars. So if this is 24 pounds, this is what, 1/3 of this? We can expect this to be, I don't know, 8-ish, really kind of close to that. So let's use a little calculations, that cross product thing. So we're going to do 100 times X, which is, if I'm correct, that's 100X. And then we're going to do 24 times 38. And I got my calculator ready this time for you guys. 24, oh shoot. So 24.3 times 38. Did it put the point in there? It didn't look like it. Point 3 times 38. Okay, 24.3 times 38. Let's see what that turns out to be. 923. And remember, we have to divide that by 100, right? Because we also have to do the division. I'm going to do that right now. And I think we all know what it's going to be. 9.234. So let's go back. Ooh. Someone called me. I'm sorry. So we got 900. Let's fill this in. Oh, I'm sorry, everyone. Someone's calling me on my phone. 923. So that's what this times this was right there. And then right here, we're going to divide by 100 on both sides, divide by 100 on both sides, and so we get X, or the weight on Mars is 9.23. There we go. So we know the weight of this thing, when we bring it to Mars, will be 9.23 pounds.